Hello, everyone, and today we're going to talk about the types of storms hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons. And what's the difference between them? Well, the difference lies in the location of their formation. Hurricanes, they form over the North Atlantic. It's going to be northwest coast of Africa, west coast of Europe, the Caribbean Sea, the east coast of North America. Also, they form in the central and eastern North Pacific. It is the west coast of North America. To the next one. Cyclones. They form in the South Pacific. So it is Australia, New Zealand, the west coast of South America, Oceania, and also in the Indian Ocean. India, East Africa, Australia, and so on. And typhoons. Well, it is just the Northwest Pacific. And this includes East Asia and Northeast Asia. And that's all the difference. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you next time.